What do you want for breakfast today?
I'm not sure. What do we have?
We still have bread and some fruit.
Do we have eggs?
Yes, we have 2 left.
Great. Can you make scrambled eggs?
Sure, that's easy. Do you want toast too?
Yes, just 1 slice is enough.
Do you want tea or coffee?
Tea, please.
Something warm sounds nice. Okay, do you want honey or sugar in it?
Honey, just a little.
Can you wash the apples while I cook?
Yeah, I can do that. Do you want the apples sliced or whole?
Slice them, please. It's easier to eat.
Breakfast smells good already.
It will be ready in a minute.
Thanks for cooking this morning.
No problem. Let's eat together.
Can you help me clean the living room? Sure. What do you want me to do? Can you pick up the things on the floor first? Okay, I'll start with the shoes and bags. Did you take out the trash already? Not yet. Should I do it now? Yes, the trash bag is full. All right, I'll take it outside. Can you also wipe the table after that? Yes, I'll grab a cloth. Do you want me to vacuum the carpet? That would be great, thank you. Should I clean the windows too? No, we can do that later. Okay, the room looks better already. Yeah, it feels cleaner now. Thanks for helping today. You're welcome. Team works well.
Where's my phone? I can't find it anywhere.
Did you check your room carefully?
Yes, I looked on the desk and the bed.
Maybe it's under your pillow.
No, I checked there too.
Did you leave it in the kitchen?
Let me see. Oh, it's not there.
Try your bag. Maybe you put it inside.
Yes, it's in my bag. I forgot.
Good, at least you found it. Did you finish cleaning your room?
Almost. I still need to fold my clothes.
Did you make your bed this morning?
Not yet, but I'll do it soon.
Can you also organize your desk?
Yes, it's a bit messy.
After that, your room will look nice.
Yeah, I want it tidy today.
Let me know if you need help.
Thanks. I'll call you if I do.
Have you seen my keys? No, I haven't. Where did you put them? I thought I left them on the table. They're not here. Did you check your bag? Yes, I checked twice already. Maybe you put them in your jacket pocket. Good idea. Let me check. Anything inside? No, only a receipt. Did you use your keys this morning? Yes, when I left the house. Then maybe they're near the door. I'll check the floor and the shoes. Find anything? No, still nothing. Did they fall behind the shelf? Let me move it a little. Careful, don't drop anything else. Okay. Oh wait, I hear something. Is it the keys? Yes, they're stuck behind the shelf. See, I knew you'd find them. I must have dropped them yesterday. It happens, don't worry too much. At least I found them before leaving. Good, now you won't be late. Thanks for helping me look around. Anytime, you always lose things. Yeah, I really need to be more careful. True, but at least you solve it fast.
Do we need more milk? Yes, the carton is almost empty. Did you buy bread yesterday? No, the bakery was already closed. Okay, then we need bread today. Do we still have enough rice? Yes, but only 1 small bag. What about eggs? We only have 2 left. All right, add eggs to the list. Do we have vegetables? Just tomatoes and 1 cucumber. We should get some greens too. Yeah, maybe lettuce or spinach. Do we need snacks? Maybe 1 pack, nothing too big. Are we out of juice? Yes, the fridge is empty. Add juice and maybe some yogurt. Okay, yogurt sounds good. Do we have enough cooking oil? I think the bottle is half full. Should we buy fruit? Maybe bananas or oranges? All right, let's add bananas. This list is getting long. Yeah, but everything is useful. True. Should we go now? Maybe in 10 minutes. Okay, I'll grab my bag. Let's finish shopping quickly today. Yes, quick and simple.
What time is dinner tonight?
Maybe around 7.
7 sounds good for me.
Are you free after dinner?
Yes, I think I'm free.
Do you want to watch something? Maybe a movie or a short show?
Both options sound nice.
Do you have work to finish?
Just a small task. I'll finish soon.
Good, then we can relax afterward.
Do you want to cook dinner together?
Yes, cooking together is fun.
What should we make?
Maybe pasta or steak?
Pasta is easier tonight.
Do we have all the ingredients?
We have most of them already. Maybe we only need cheese.
Okay, I'll buy some later.
Should we eat at the table or the couch?
The table feels nicer for dinner.
Agreed. And then we move to the couch.
Perfect. Movie night sounds relaxing.
So dinner at 7.
Yes, 7, exactly.
And then maybe a walk if it's not too late.
Yeah, a short walk would be nice.
Okay, that's our plan.
Great, I'm looking forward to tonight. Can you taste this for a moment? Sure, let me try it. How is it? It's okay, but a bit plain. Do we have salt? Yes, it's right next to the stove. How much should I add? Maybe half a spoon first. Okay, I'll mix it well. Do you want to taste again? Yes, let me check. Better, but still light. Should I add a little more? Yes, just a small pinch. All right, adding now. Taste it one more time. Yes, now it tastes perfect. Great, the soup smells really good. Do we need pepper too? Maybe just a tiny bit. Okay, I'll add a little. Can you cut the carrots next? Yes, I'll slice them thinly. Do you need the onions as well? Yes, please. Chop them lightly. Cooking together makes things easier. Yeah, and it's more fun. Dinner will be ready soon. I think it's going to taste great. I hope so. I'm hungry already.
Is it too cold in here?
A little. I can feel the wind.
Should I close the window?
Maybe close it halfway first.
Okay, let me adjust it. Is that better now?
Still a bit chilly.
Should I turn on the heater?
Yes, please.
All right, I'll switch it on. Do you want a blanket?
Maybe just a small one.
Here, take this.
Thanks. That feels warmer.
Is the room still cold for you?
Not as much now.
Should I close the window fully?
Yeah, I think that's better.
Okay, I closed it. Do you want some warm tea?
That sounds nice.
I'll make some in a minute.
Thanks. Cold weather makes me sleepy.
Same here. Rainy days are like that.
At least the room is cozy now. Why is the Wi-Fi so slow today?
I'm not sure. Did you restart the router?
Not yet. Should I try?
Yeah, restart it once.
Okay, turning it off. Now on again. Is it better?
Still slow.
Maybe too many devices.
Let me disconnect my phone.
Good idea. Can you check the signal? It shows only 2 bars. Maybe the router is too far. Should we move it closer? Let's try. Help me lift it. Okay, put it on the table. How's the signal now? Oh, 4 bars now. Much better. Great. Try loading a video. It works faster now. Good. Problem solved. By the way, where's the remote? Check under this sofa cushion. Let me see. Yes, found it. You always lose the remote. I know, it hides from me. At least everything works now. Did you feed the dog already?
Yes, I gave him food at 7.
Did he eat everything?
Yeah, he finished it fast.
Did you give him water too?
Yes, I changed the ball.
Good, he likes clean water.
Where is he now?
Sleeping on the sofa. He must be tired.
Did you walk him today?
Not yet. Want to go together?
Yeah, let's walk him later.
He will be excited.
Did you check his leash?
Yes, it's in the basket.
Okay, we'll take him soon.
He loves evening walks. Can you turn it down a bit?
Oh, sorry. Is the music too loud?
Yeah, just a little.
Okay, I lowered the volume. Is this better?
Yes, that sounds fine.
I didn't know it was loud.
The walls are thin here.
True, even small sounds travel.
Should I use headphones instead?
No, this volume is okay.
Thanks for telling me.
By the way, where is the cat?
She was on the sofa earlier.
She's not there now.
Maybe she's under the bed. Let me check. Yes, she's here. Is she sleeping?
Yeah, she looks comfortable.
She likes quiet places.
Good thing we turned the music down.
Yeah, she hates loud sounds.
I'll keep the volume low.
Thanks. The room feels calmer now.